Sofia.
Wow, you played G major chord. Okay, kids out there, this is how you play G major chord. Okay, can you say something kepada kawan-kawan kat luar tu? Maybe dia scared to learn piano. What is your advice? Kalau nak learn piano, kena buat apa selalu?
If you want to learn piano, just learn, don't be scared.
Oh, kalau nak main piano, kena praktis selalu tak? Okay, tell your friends, sayang.
Kalau nak main piano, kena main selalu tak?
Okay, so kata kat orang, you have to practice selalu kalau nak main piano. Kalau nak pandai, kena practice selalu. Go.
Kalau nak pandai, kena praktis selalu. Hai, nama saya Sofia. Saya nak buat chord G. Saya boleh buat E flat. Bye.